Welcome to our court call video. In this video, we will be discussing the steps to scheduling a court appearance online. If you do not feel comfortable using the online system, you can call the number that you see on the top of the screen, which is 888-882-6878. You can also visit their court call website at www.courtcall.com and choose the live chat option. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1, register an account. First, you have to go to www.courtcall.com. Once you're on that page, scroll all the way down to where it says registration. After you click registration, the page will redirect you to the online registration system. The first screen will ask you to select the role that best describes you from the list of user types. You will select self-represented/clients and then click continue. The next screen will ask you to fill out a registration form with your information. The first field will ask you your first name. The second field will ask you to put the first letter of your middle name. And the last field will ask you to put your last name. It is very important that you make sure everything is written exactly as it appears on your court documents. It is possible that your name is misspelled or are being sued under the wrong name. That is why it is so important to enter the name exactly as it appears on the complaint. Moving on to the next item on the form, the phone number. Make sure that you provide the best number to reach you at. The next item asks you to provide a cell phone number. If you have a secondary number that you can also be reached at, you can put it in that section. Next, it will ask you to create a login ID. This can simply be a nickname or just your name. After you create a login ID, it will ask you to create a password. The password must be at least 6 characters long, but no longer than 20 characters long. It may not be the same as your login. It must include 1 capital letter and 1 number. May not include any spaces or any punctuations, but it may include special symbols. After you have confirmed your password, you must put an email address in which they can reach you at. Then we can move on to the additional information section. Here, it asks you to provide a street address. Then you provide the city. And you select your country. And your state. And lastly, you want to put your zip code. Once you have filled out every single box that has a red star next to it, check all your information one last time to make sure that you have inputted everything correctly. Once you are done, click Register Now. Congratulations! Step 1 is complete. Step 2, activate your account. In this step, we will show you how to activate your account. After registering your account, you will be emailed about activating your account within 1 business day. Once you have received that email, go to www.courtcall.com. Once you're on that page, scroll all the way down to where it says Activation. The first screen will ask you the type of registrant. Go to the pull-down menu and put Self-Represented and click Continue. The next screen will ask you to provide the email address that you registered with. Then it will ask you for the activation code. This is a unique code that was emailed to you at the email that you provided when you registered your account. Once you have inputted your unique activation code, click Activate. Congratulations. You have completed step 2. Now you are ready for step 3. Schedule your appearance. Make sure that this step is done at least 5 business days before your appearance. After activating your account, you can go to courtcall.com. In the middle of the screen, you will see a button that says Schedule an Appearance. Then you will see an option to schedule by email. Then you can proceed to fill out this form to schedule an appearance. Under Purpose, on the drop-down menu, select Schedule an Appearance. It'll ask you for the date of the appearance, the time, your first name, and your last name as it appears in your court documents, the best phone number to reach you at, the email with which you registered your account, firm name if you're represented by a firm, the court name, the name of the judge, and the appearance type. All of this information can be found in your court documents. It will then ask you for the case number and the case name and the party represented. Lastly, you will be asked to select your payment method. For payment method, if you have a fee waiver, select None. If you do not have a fee waiver, you will need to add a credit card to your account and select Credit Card on File, then click Submit. If you have a fee waiver order, you may need to submit it to Court Call by emailing them a copy at requestform@courtcall.com or faxing it to 310-743-1850. If you have a fee waiver but need a copy of the order, go to step 4. Once you have clicked Submit, congratulations. Step 3 is complete. In this step, we will show you how to get your fee waiver order. First, go to roa.sdcourt.ca.gov/ROA. Review the user agreement and disclaimer, then click Accept Terms. You will then be redirected to the case number search page. Enter your case number into the search, then click Search. The page will then take you to the Register of Actions. Scroll down and find the fee waiver order by searching for it in the search box. The entry will say Order on Court Fee Waiver. Once you have found it, click Add to Cart, which appears as a button on the bottom right. Then proceed to checkout and complete order. Once you have completed your order, congratulations. Step 4 is also complete. Step 5, call into your hearing. Court Call should provide you with a phone number for the day of the hearing. Call the number they provide and wait for your case to be called. It is recommended that you use a landline if possible. If you have trouble the day of your hearing, you can call Court Call at 888-882-6878. Congratulations, you have completed all steps.